Yeah.
All right, class. So today we will be doing an activity over directions. And so directions are very important in the day-to-day life because you never know when you could really use them instead of if you don't have your phone on hand. So say if you were on vacation and maybe your phone died, you would need to ask someone on the streets. And if someone happened to come up to you and ask, it's very important that you know so you won't get lost. So before I start the activity, I want to go over a few vocabulary words that you can use while doing this activity. So hold up your left hand, which is on this side, and that is turn left. And then hold up your other hand, turn right. There's also go straight, up, down, and across. Now I want you to repeat after me. Turn left,
Turn left,
turn right,
turn right,
go straight,
go straight,
up,
up,
down,
down,
across.
across.
Do you have any questions over those?
No.
No? Now I'm going to be handing out a map, and this is what we will be using in our activity. So, looking at this map, you'll see on this corner, so this right here, you'll see houses. So in the middle, you'll see one that specifically says home. And this is going to be your starting point for some places. And you also see your parents' house. Right below that, you'll see the school and library, a park and corner store. Then across from that, you'll see the gas station, a laundromat, which is where you can wash your clothes, Walmart, which is like a Walmart, supermarket, jewelry store, pharmacy, which is where you get your medications, fire station, bookstore, and gas station. Now right above that, so here, you'll see a Popeyes, a McDonald's, a Tiger Express, a Jake in the Box, a Trainway, and a Pizza Box. So now right across from that, so right here, you'll see a hotel and a hospital. Now on the farther side, you'll see the post office and the city hall. Now you'll also see on your paper, you'll have a couple of pink lines. And those pink lines are your street. So starting from the very top, so right here, you'll see Rosedale, go down one, Panola, and then Tanich. Now the other lines, you'll see Burden, Rainy, Miller, and then Berry. Are there any questions over the map?
No.
No? Alright, so now I want to do a couple of examples with you just so you can understand how this activity is supposed to go. Now, say if I want to start, let's say at the school. Put your finger at the school, and I want to get to the hospital. How would I go there?
Take Merton Street to the right, and then take Tanage to the left. Go all the way straight up to the street, and it's gonna be on the corner of Miller and Tanage.
Good. Now, how do I get from the pizza box to the corner store? Put your finger on the corner store.
Get a Panola straight to your right hand, go straight, and get a Remy straight to your left hand, and the corner store is on the corner to Tennis and Remy Street.
Good. Now one more example. How do I get from my parents' house to City Hall?
Get a Remy Street to your right hand, and get a Panola Street to your left hand. Go straight go straight and get a Miller Street to your right hand, and get a Tanny Street to your left hand, and the City Hall is on the corner to Berry and Tanny Street.
That's good. All right. Do you have any questions over that?
No.
No.
No? All right. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to ask a question to your partner. They're going to respond, and then they're going to ask you a question, and you have to give them the directions back. I'll give you a few minutes.
If I at the City Hall, how do I get to the park?
If you're in the City Hall, take 10-ish to the right, down this all the way up, and take Burton to the right side, and it's on the corner of Panola and Burton, in front of the school. If I'm at home and I want to go to the gas station, how do I get there?
Get the Panola Street to your left hand, go straight, and the gas station is on the corner to Remy and Panola Street.
All right. How was the activity?
Good.
It was good. Do you understand it?
Yes.
That's good. Do you have any questions over it?
No.
No? All right. Well, that's the end of our activity, and I'll see you guys next week.